and today I'm here to talk about why we are failing to get girlfriend. Like I've been trying it since uh 2 3 year. It's been like 3 year. Not gonna lie, it was fucking hard. I would approach a girl, like come to her and say, "Hello, my name is Tushka. What's your name?" And I would be first. I was anxious, but I get over that and just become confident guy. Even though I'm still kind of confident, it still tends to not work for me. It never works. It never. It doesn't matter if you're handsome, like if you're ugly, it doesn't matter. If you approach her in 101, it will work. Not saying you wouldn't, but for my experience, I have like I'm 18, but I have real solid 3 year experience because I tried like to get girls. I really tried. Like I would approach him, I approach, I talk, I chase, I be like bad boy sometime or good boy. Even though it, everything I tried it's working, sometimes I bang a girl, but not that much. And so so here's the conclusion. You can you can just chase a girl because there was a girl I've been chasing like 6 months. 6 months. Like really. I messaged her every single day. 6 months. And she was kind of liked me back, kind of when I like play basketball, she's looking at me and posting about how I play basketball in indirect way. I played basketball that day and she saw me and posted on Facebook like right after she saw me, like that night. So she kind of liked me and she said, not said to me, but indirectly said, you gotta ask, I gotta ask, but I didn't want to ask because I was too anxious that she would reject me. She didn't do, she didn't reject me, but I rejected her. Like after 6 months, everything worked out. She was like kind of liked me, but I don't know why I didn't ask her to be my girlfriend, but it didn't work because I didn't ask. That was my fault. But if you chase a girl, it will work. It will tend to work. I promise you. So, reason I'm saying this is I seen a lot of hot girls, beautiful girls having a very ugly boyfriends. Like I was going with my friend in bus and they were smoking a hot girl and she was like at my age and I thought, whoa. And I looked at my friend and he was like, yeah. And I wanted to approach but I didn't because I just like she and my friend and I was here and I was like going out just walking and she was so excitedly met his boyfriend. Like I don't know, she hasn't been seeing his boyfriend very long, but she was very happy and I was like, what the fuck? Who the fuck is this dude? And that dude had so fucking many like dots of fucking mustache. I wouldn't say it's mustache, but a lot of hair. And kind of hated. He was short, kind of brown, and a little bit of dirty. He didn't have any fashion style, not gonna lie. It was weird, you know. So I got to the conclusion. You only have to chase. Be consistent. See you later, guys.